Hello, my lovely friends. It is Tuesday, and I am bringing you a layout for the scrapbookingstore.com. And they have fun kits every single month. If you want to join their kit club, I will have a affiliate link in the description bar below. But I just really enjoyed starting with this cut file from the Cut Shop. Ashley Horton has a Shopify account for the Cut Shop, and it is a free cut file if you want to go grab it. But I thought it was just going to be perfect for the two photos that I pulled to go with this kit. Now this is the main kit, and it came with Authentique's Scholastic collection, which is just adorable vintage school related and childhood memory related papers and sticker sheets. And also I will use some of the chipboard that came in the kit and flags and things like that. So I did not want to spend the entire time showing you how I backed this cut file. I think most people know how to do that, but I just took the papers from the collection and trimmed around the letters and backed it with this super cute paper. And I really do like how it turned out. And I keep going back to this yellow background, and that was the Scholastic 2. So each one of them is labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it goes to 9, and it's just adorable. So this ledger paper worked perfectly. These are some school photos of my brother when he was in elementary and in middle school. And he was big into football, and I thought the flags worked perfectly. Those came in the kit. Those are from Jolie's Boutique. And if you followed me for a number of years, you know that my brother passed away in 2015. So being able to pull some of these photos that I had in my stash of photos and being able to document his life has been really important to me. And so I thought this collection worked beautifully for that. So this 3x4 is from the cut apart sheet that says school days. And then also from the cut apart sheet is this little fussy cut piece that has the book and the children. I guess I just flashed forward a little bit of editing there I didn't expect, but it was just kind of a preliminary setup to see how I wanted the photos and where I wanted that fussy cut book and the 3x4 card. And I'm going back and sticking that cut file down, and I'm just using some inexpensive double-sided tape to do that. And I am going to pop up the photos so they add a little bit of dimension. I also fussy cut out this pencil from one of the cut apart sheets, and I thought that was adorable to go right on top of that 3x4 because it kind of was a harsh line until I did that, and the pencil just makes it look like it blends better with the background. And I do like that. So the little helmet here is part of the chipboard set that comes in the main kit, and it had things like football helmets and tickets and footballs, and he was very much into football in elementary school and middle school, not so much in high school. He wasn't a big fan of high school. So he did not play football in high school. So I thought that these little chipboard elements worked perfectly. And I'm going to add just a little bit of messy thread behind that photo on the top left and bring back in those flags. And the colors are just perfect with the photos, being that it is a vintage feel, and you know, he was 50 when he passed. I think that this is very reminiscent of his school years, and I really love how this turned out. It's one of my fave layouts recently, so I absolutely love it. I do end up using, I believe, some of the Jolie's Boutique. Oh no, I'm looking at the scrapbook layout right now, and I don't end up using that. I thought I would. I end up using those two embellishments there. They came on clips, but I pulled the clips off because I just like the little elements on top. I'm going to use them on another layout. So I'm kind of interviewing something to go on the bottom. I'm going to tear out a little notch and add this apple paper after I sprinkle with a bit of shimmers, and that shimmers color is called Mandarin Mai Tai, and it is kind of a darker yellow, and so it was perfect. It matched perfect with this helmet and the school bus and things like that. So I just felt like it needed a little bit of foundation again, so I just notched that out. I'm going to tuck that little apple paper behind it, and that is going to complete the layout. So it took no time at all. I really enjoyed the process, and I hope you did too. There will be still pictures at the end and information on how to find scrapbookingstore.com. If you want to get some goodies over there, they have a monthly kit subscription. If you commit to a year, I believe it saves you the shipping, and so it's a little bit cheaper for you, but they're a great value anyway. I know I say this every time, but it is amazing how many layouts you can get out of these kits, and I enjoy playing with them. So if you would like to follow me and any new videos that I have come out, just click that little notification bell, and if you wouldn't mind leaving me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. It helps others find me, and I love to share. I love to inspire, and hopefully I've done that here. So I will have another video for you very soon, and I will also have a live feed on the Facebook group on the 18th, so check us out then. I will talk to you later. Ta-ta for now. Bye.